Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to cross out or strike through text in Google Docs. Let's dive in. First of all, simply open your Google Docs. After opening Google Docs, make sure you have signed into your account and simply open your document which you want to strike through or cross out. Then simply select or highlight the text you want to cross out. Just click and drag your mouse over it like this. Suppose I want to cross out this section. Then second step is to format. Go to the format menu. At the top you will see the option called format. Simply click on it and hover over text and then click through strike. As you can see, over to the text, then go to the strike through option and then simply click it. As you can see, the strike through is applied on your document. Now quicker way is to just press Alt plus Shift plus 5 on Windows, and in Mac simply click Command plus Shift plus X. Strike through is great for editing, making to-do list or marking completed tasks. Super useful for productivity, and that's how you cross out text in Google Docs. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.